folks, let's talk about the timeshare nightmare. If you are stuck paying endless maintenance fees, special assessments, it is time to call my friends at Lonestar Transfer. With more than a decade of experience, they lead the way in the timeshare exit industry with exclusive solutions. Lonestar Transfer makes timeshare exits quick, easy, and guaranteed in writing. Over the past 15 years, this family-owned company has helped more than 30,000 owners break free from their timeshares. They have earned an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau and thousands of 5-star reviews. I've endorsed Lonestar Transfer for more than 5 years. Now, because they are the only company that I trust to deliver results for my listeners. For a free consultation, please call 855-551-7066, 855-551-7066, or you can visit lonestartransfer.com.